Hi, meet Betty. She's a risk officer in Quezon City, and with El Nino season approaching, her LGU needs to conduct a risk assessment. Fast. She opens her laptop, starts with hazard zones, opens another tab for nearby hospitals, and again, checks another. But she's 3 tabs in and hasn't made a single decision yet. The burden of synthesizing the data falls entirely on her.
The Philippines is one of the most disaster-prone countries in the world, with hundreds of local government units in charge of over 7,000 islands. Disaster risk assessment is inherently fragmented. Existing tools inform, but they don't enable action. Our tool bridges that gap, turning fragmented geospatial risk data into tailored, actionable insights for any user.
Hi, we're Hiraya Jan from Kayana Solutions Incorporated in the Philippines, and we built RISC Intelligence and Security Compiler to help organizations make faster and smarter location-based decisions to assess risk. Let me show you how it works. This is RISC, analyzing any location in the Philippines. The moment you drop a pin, RISC gets to work, pulling hazard assessments, querying nearby facilities, and generating AI-powered risk intelligence for that location. Navigating the country is just as seamless. Search any location, and the map instantly centers. The left panel breaks down into 3 dimensions: hazards, exposure to population density, capacity through nearby facilities. And this is where the risk equation comes to life. With facilities enabled, risk surfaces hospitals, clinics, police stations, and other assets. In order to optimize accessibility, RISC generates turn-by-turn directions with exact distance and travel time on foot or by vehicle. But analytic layers alone still require interpretation. For every location, RISC generates 3 scores, helping decision makers decide whether to proceed, monitor, or stop and mitigate first. Betty, who is part of a local government team, prepares for an incoming flood. With her single click, it shows which hazards are present and which facilities are recommended for planning. AI-powered insights explain what this means and tells you what to do next. Shifting to the lens of a property developer evaluating the same area, the same scores translate directly into investment language, structural requirements, insurance exposure, and supply chain vulnerability. And for anyone who needs to go deeper, RISC built-in AI assistant Hiraya is here to help, with her feedback grounded in facts, highlighting information otherwise missed. And that's just the surface.
We explored the different possibilities of what Databricks can do. Here's how we built it. Data. Thanks to Databricks Unity Catalog, governing the Philippine open data is effortless. By utilizing UC volumes, massive hazard tile maps, and census data are flawlessly stored, while UC functions elegantly expose Philippine GeoRISC APIs. Databricks reimagines how complex data is handled. The architecture leverages Databricks agent bricks and serving endpoints to generate life-saving insights. Powered by Claude Sonnet, the social and business risk agents seamlessly pull context from the disaster risk knowledge base. These AI engines run flawlessly on Databricks infrastructure, feeding conversational insights directly to the Hiraya AI assistant. Finally, Databricks Apps brings it all together. The Plotly Dash front-end, utilizing an OpenStreetMap base map, natively orchestrates everything. It effortlessly consumes UC functions, volumes, and intelligent serving endpoints in one beautifully unified ecosystem. Databricks simply does it all. For risk, time savings are life saved.
As we enrich our platform with more data, telco, utilities, health, infrastructure, the insights get sharper, richer, the gaps get smaller. Risk assessment used to require multiple tools, consequently dedicated manpower, and heaping hours of research. Our Risk Intelligence and Security Compiler, RISC, changes that. Betty is now able to reach her objectives 83.7% faster. And not just for her.
Whether it's the barangay official,
A business owner.
An urban planner,
Or even you have access to contextually relevant insights.